Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how we can just change the theme of our Roblox app. So for that we have to just open up our Roblox app over here, and after that we have to click on three dots on the right hand side bottom, and from over here we have to just go to the setting parts and then go to account info over here and wait until it is full appear. And you have to just scroll down until you see a theme option over here. It was just below the gender option. You have to just click on that, and you have to, for just changing it, you have to just click on dark over here, and your theme of your account will just be changed. So in order to save it, you have to just click on save over here. You have to click on OK. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.